Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your WordPress website a fresh modern look but didn't know how to change the color palette, this video is for you. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to edit your color palette in WordPress step by step in under 5 minutes. So let's jump right in. First, head over to the official WordPress website and click the login button located at the top right corner. This will take you to the login page where you can sign into your account. Now, for a quicker and more secure login, I recommend using a third-party service like Google. Just click Continue with Google and choose the account that's linked to your WordPress site. This will immediately log you in without needing to remember any passwords. Once you're in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Here you'll see Edit section. Find and click Edit Site. This takes you into the visual site editor, which is where all the design magic happens. Inside the editor, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a styles icon. It might look like a paintbrush or a group of styling tools. Click that icon to open your appearance settings. Next, go to the colors section. This is where WordPress displays your site's current color palette. A set of colors applied throughout your design, like backgrounds, headings, links, and buttons. Now, click Edit Palette. This is where you can truly customize your website's color scheme. You can pick new shades, adjust tones, or replace existing colors with your own brand colors. If you have specific hex codes for your brand, you can enter them directly here for perfect consistency. Once you've made your changes, make sure to select a default color that ties your design together. This helps keep your site looking clean and cohesive no matter what page your visitors land on. Finally, click Save to apply your new color palette. And just like that, your website now has a refreshed, personalized look, all without needing any coding or advanced design skills. And that's it. Editing your color palette in WordPress is super simple once you know where to look. Whether you're rebranding or just want a fresh vibe, this quick tweak can make your website feel completely new. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more WordPress and website tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of design customization you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.